Coffee's made with water, and we're short on water. So sometimes you kill two birds with one stone. I think the cowboys did this back in the day. It's almost like peppermint. School.
And on the Northwestern,
We're out of water. I don't know what it is, but we lost water. Tried to turn the sink, air came out, so I'm not enthused about it. We just lost 1,000 gallons of water. All because of that. Plug popped off. All my water just went in my bilge. Blew off. Well, if that's the case, then we gotta really conserve water. Well, instead of having 2,000, I got 1,000 gallons of fresh water. You know, it's not just for keeping clean and doing dishes. We need the water for our engine. Because the engine is cooled by the freshwater tank. Guys are gonna have to conserve. I mean, we may have a long trip ahead of us. No more showers either. Just stay dirty.
2 miles.
In 2 days, it's supposed to unload. As of today, as of right now, we need 28,000 pounds roughly. We just gotta get through more gear. Okay, we're coming up on the first pot.
Here we go. Welcome to the rodeo. Ready to go! Listen, rushing it, boys.
We're good?
100.
That's what we want. That's what we like.
Oh yeah!
Doesn't take a lot of those to put a dent in the tank, so 400s, they add up quick. This is how you fill a boat fast. Hopefully there's no more obstacles this trip. Guys stink.
We all stink. That stinks a little more.
one day into a water shortage, Randy's future crewmates are getting musky.
They're talking about your stink.
And the most aromatic deckhand, Matt Bradley.
I literally can say I haven't taken a shower this year.
Oh, wow.
I mean, like,
That's I haven't taken a shower all year.
all year. And I was gonna take one last year or something.
I got a problem. When you can taste the smell in the air, pretty bad.
I smell poop. That's my ass. That's me.
They got to do something about that guy.
With their first offload in just 48 hours, the crew is up against the clock and Matt's stench.
Time is not on our side. Just turn and burn. That's the strategy.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah. That's dandy.
Crab is looking really good. Nice, big, clean. Looks like we're staying on them. What are we supposed to do?
Make him do something. That needs an intervention. Baby wipes, whatever it takes. Jesus. That guy.
Even with full pods coming over the rail, Matt's manly musk still stings the nostrils.
I don't want to smell him. Can I get some help over here?
walked by me and I thought like our pooper tank was full. Oh, God. Trying to figure out a way to wash this crap away. Damn it, Bradley! Oh, he's getting pissed now. Yeah. Oh, my God. You stink, Bradley, like a big buffalo fart. Buffalo fart. Hey, there's a dead crab in there. Vinny. Get it all off. Vinny. Get the deck off. We got some salt water. How was it? Hold on, we got it. Bad luck. Oh, thank you, Matt, for taking a cleansing shower. Dude, yeah, that really saved us. Well, I know one thing's for sure. I did stink.
As the crew fills the tank, the grind approaches its 24th hour.
I surrender! I surrender! No more!
Last one.
Thank God. Oh, piss.
I think we earned this, you know. Guys did great. We're done. Feels good.
Before heading to port,
In this bag, I got some shells. Whoever guesses the number or closest to it gets to take the first shower. So we only get one, because we really don't know how much water we have. I'll let you feel it just for a second. Just shake it, okay? Just for a second. Oh, dude, there's a few in there. 19?
I'm gonna go 34.
Ready?
Lay it out.
This
I'm
is your
burnt.
only shower.
Oh man.
17, 18.
Knitting.
And the winner!
I want to recount.
The winner is... Guess who it is? Guess who it is, Uncle Nick? I am the king! So suck it! I'm going to shower, bitches! Dude, there ain't no more water! I'm out of water! There's no more water. I told you,
Dude,
we
that's
don't know
amazing.
how much is in there. Bottled water? All right.
Bottled water.
Not a whole lot of bottled water, but we got some salt water. No, you again. No, I'm so cold. We can just... I'm so cold. I'm so cold.
Hold you out to it.
Again and again.
That's not that cold. Hey, like you're going.
Stuff the boat. Nick of time.
the Northwestern offloads their first Opilio crab of the season.
Right now we're up to 2 tanks, was 142, which is good. Sig will be happy. We got a fresh water going. Another thing, Mandy's supposed to fly in today.
Hey, what's new?
Well, I guess Mandy's wish came true. You told her that she can go fishing, and I said yes. So I guess she's going fishing.
Just 5 days ago,
You still don't want to go fishing, do you?
Wait, you think coming up here would change my mind? You screwed up.
Captain Sig Hansen made a promise to his daughter, Mandy.
Maybe she'll get a chance to come up here again if Mama's willing. I said she can go fishing if you said she could go, but you would never say she could go.
Well, I did because you put it all on me, and all this kid wanted ever to do was to go fishing. And I said, if Dad lets you go, that's fine by me.
So now if I say no, I'm the bad guy.
Mm-hmm. It's all you.
Me and my big mouth, huh?
Okay, Mandy, are du klar å reise?
Yeah, I'm ready. Just getting the last things in.
18-year-old Mandy Hansen prepares for her first crab fishing trip aboard the Northwestern.
So it's gonna be a little different. I'm really looking forward to it. I have no idea what I'll be expecting. I'm very much nervous. I'm more nervous about what the guys will think of me. They know that I'm actually willing to go up there and do it, but it's just the fact, like, you're a girl, what are you doing up here? Why aren't you going off to school? If I was a guy, they'd have no problem with it. I know my dad wants something else for me, but this is what I want to do, and I also know that he wouldn't want to be the one to hold me back, so at least this way now he's giving me a shot. I'm the first girl in the family that's an actual Hansen. I want to go fishing.